Hey, what's up guys? This is Leo Chen of Levitate Style.
And Alicia.
A special guest today. We're doing a cool video about Rovaniemi, Finland. So, we just got back from a press trip with Finnair. We went to Finland on a stopover program. First, we spent a few days in Helsinki, and then we actually went further north
To the Arctic Circle.
to this place called Rovaniemi, and we learned that there. Before this trip, I only heard of Rovaniemi from Casey Neistat, so he did a Christmas video there, and that was the only time I ever heard of the place. In the past few years, Rovaniemi has gotten really popular as a winter destination. There's a ton of snow, Santa Claus is there.
It's a winter wonderland.
Yeah, Arctic Circle, and you can see the Northern Lights. It's beautiful. This special travel video, we're doing top 10 things to do in Rovaniemi in the summer. It almost fits all of it.
Almost.
Rovaniemi, number 1, meeting Santa Claus. That was so cool. We got to meet him right as we got off the flight.
Yes.
And it was just cool to see him in May.
Yeah.
So, you know, everyone visit him in December. You know, you gotta go earlier, you get your wishes in. At this place, you can visit Santa anytime.
I remember to be extra good boys and extra good girls, yeah?
Number 2.
We got to check out Santa's mailroom.
If you send mail anywhere in the world to Santa, it goes there to Rovaniemi so he can read it there.
It was really cool to see letters from around the world. Not only did we see letters come in to the Santa's mailroom, but we actually got to send out mail. We got to actually send out postcards right there from Santa's
His workshop.
That was really cool to send out postcards either from now or even later at Christmas time.
Yeah.
Number 3.
Santa's reindeer. So I may have been a little more excited to meet his reindeer than Santa. We got to go in and pet the reindeer and feed them birch tree.
That was really cute.
It was really cute.
I've never seen a reindeer up close.
And the reindeer's name was Polar Bear.
Yeah, that was very cute.
Number 4.
Floating. That was definitely one of the most interesting experiences we've ever seen.
For sure.
When you're traveling to a place like Rovaniemi, that's a place that you haven't heard of, it's really cool to see what kind of unique experiences that you can do there. This is the floating in the water experience.
Yes. This giant suit that keeps you really warm. Your sensory is all messed up because you can't hear anything because you're under the water, and then your body's just like floating.
Fun fact, I actually can't swim, and so
You can't even float.
yeah, I can't even float. And so that was interesting to put that thing on. It was really tight on my face. I felt like I was talking like I just had the wisdom tooth surgery, which was good because it kept from water coming in.
Yeah.
The suit was heavy.
It's very heavy.
I felt like I was walking like...
I felt like those blow-up machines where they're just like going like that.
Yeah.
That's how I felt, so I really liked it.
So much pressure.
Keep going.
Always laughing at me. Always laughing at me. She's always laughing at me.
Ah, so tight on my head.
Oh my god. You're doing it! Oh, you did it. Good job, good job.
Thanks.
Thanks for the laugh.
Number 5, the hotels. There's just so many beautiful hotels there. So the first one we went into is the Arctic Light Hotel, and it was just so beautiful, modern, very well done. And we also had a really nice breakfast there in the morning.
So good.
And then the second hotel we got to check out is the Arctic Treehouse Hotel. And that was just so unique and so cool, right? You can see in the video, just like really cool space in the middle of the woods, just so open and beautiful. Very unique way to stay in Rovaniemi.
Number 6. Local culture. It's always important for us to learn about the local culture wherever we go, and on this trip we got to meet this really awesome cool lady named Irene. She taught us a lot about how Lappish people like live off the land, and she was kind of showing us her workshop and how she creates crafts from things in land and from reindeer. Something we learned from Irene is that reindeers actually shed their antlers every year, so all of the things that we made crafts with, no animal was harmed. They just naturally shed their antlers every year.
We got to spend time with her. She showed us how to make some crafts. So we made some necklace and bracelets. We're actually wearing them right now in the video. We got to hang out at her house and she made us a really nice homemade meal. So that was really cool to spend the day with a local.
More interesting like the big television, I don't like that at all.
Number 7, the food. I am such a big foodie when we travel.
Yep.
I love to try everything, and so I was really curious what Rovaniemi, Lapland has to offer. That was my first time trying reindeer.
Yep.
And I got to try it in steak form. I tried it in sausage, meat pie, and
Jerky.
jerky too. Jerky was really strong, but that was just really fun to try out their local food. Also, there was
Cloudberry.
Yeah.
Yeah, cloudberry is kind of similar to a raspberry, I would say, except it was like yellow and orange, but it was very sweet, and they usually eat it for dessert. It's so sweet.
We also got to try out some just really good food. There's this one place that had really good tacos, modern dishes there, and we got to try out this cocktail that had popcorn.
Caramel popcorn.
So they definitely have some cool
Like
gems.
trendy places. Number 8, Midnight Sun. The really cool thing about Rovaniemi is it's placed in the Arctic Circle. So for about 6 months of the year, it's in total darkness or in total light. So in the summertime, the sun never sets. It was just really crazy to wrap your head around, to just be walking around and it feels like noon, but it's midnight.
We got all day sunlight. The sun never really quite sets, and it was just really unique, right? We don't really get that. Number 9.
Museum. I love museums, so I couldn't pass up the opportunity to go in Rovaniemi. We went to go learn more about the town, its history, and a lot about the science of the Arctic Circle. Number 10.
Sauna. Did you know the word sauna actually comes from Finland?
Apparently the average Finnish household, they all have saunas because it's so important to them. So the sauna is really hot.
Very hot.
So hot. We stayed in about for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can go into the water, which is freezing no matter the season. That kind of shock to your body felt really great, actually.
I didn't do it, but you did it because you hate the heat.
Yes. So I ran really fast out of that sauna right into the water.
And you actually,
I really loved
enjoyed
it.
that.
Yeah, I did it 3 times because it felt so good.
Yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, it's just really cool. That was such a popular thing in Finland, and we got to experience it in Rovaniemi as well. That was our top 10 things to do in Rovaniemi. We did it. That was a great video.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Not bad.
Not bad.
And thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And Stay to the end. We got some good blooper reel. Oh, this girl. Bye.
They're on things to do. Look at me.
Yeah, it's not
You're
that.
just staring
it's not
at
easy,
me.
huh?
You're just staring at me.
No, this is good. This is good, guys. This is for the blooper reel.
Okay.
Oh. And of course, so right, like